update video on Bitcoin. I'm here on the weekly chart. Just a quick reminder of the bigger picture, the larger time frame view. I do cover it from time to time, and I released a 2026 Outlook video a while ago, just a few weeks back, and so far this is playing out nicely, the forecast for Q1, which was this one more low. And my forecast also was after this one more low, we should form a meaningful low. That could be either in the white scenario here on the weekly chart, an A wave. Then we could rally in a B wave. B waves could overshoot. Technically, they can do that. And that would be a B wave of a bear market, so A, B, C. Or there is a potential for a rally to all-time highs from here in a fifth wave if this low is a fourth wave. I don't want to make this video too technical. If we can't find a meaningful low in wave 4 here and rally to an all-time high, then after the next larger correction, I assume this could play out throughout 2026, and then maybe September, October or so, we could see the next rally. These are the two main rally points from where the market has a chance to rally to all-time highs, as discussed in our 2026 Outlook video. Just wanted to remind everybody of it. You can find the long-term videos on our MCO Global channel. You can find it on YouTube. So that means we might start to see a rally very, very soon. I mean, if we look at the RSI, the Relative Strength Index, I'm here on the weekly chart. You see that on the weekly, we are basically close to oversold territory. The 2022 low was around 25. We're now at 33. We're getting close to bear market lows here on the RSI, but not oversold yet. We don't need to be. The daily chart is oversold, and that historically has been a point where rallies have occurred from. Not always directly, but typically, and I made many videos about that before, when the RSI on the daily is oversold and we are below 30, then this is usually a buyable dip. Now, if it's really buyable for you, depends on you, your trading plan, and everything else that's personal to you. But from a structural point of view, it typically indicates that we are in an area where a larger bounce becomes more likely. That is really just here, high-level outlook. Just want to remind everybody, what I think is very likely is potentially to sweep the April lows, grab the liquidity below, and then rally. And that could be a B wave or a wave 5. We don't know which one at this point. Yeah, of course, I'd love that fifth wave up. I think it's realistic. But it really depends on the structure, right? So my view is a rally, and the rally could also be just to 100K. And that would already be quite a lot, maybe even a bit higher. B waves don't really have targets. That is what makes this next rally so difficult, yeah? Therefore, we have to take it level by level, but I can tell you, should I see any 1-2 setup, any micro 5-wave move up, that's going to be our signal that we've started the next rally. You know, people are very bearish now, and it's a great sentiment now. I haven't been bullish for quite some time. I'm not yet, because I haven't got any local reversal confirmation, but we're getting there. We're getting there, guys. Looking at the shorter time frame, I just wanted to take a look at really the micro. I shared in the previous update here all the infos around it. I can tell you that I'm not convinced yet that we've bottomed. I think we might see some adjustments here. The very first indication a low is in would be a break above 80,046, but only a break above that level in 5 waves. Better signal is a break above the green line at 84,550. Now, for now, we see a bit of a recovery, a bit of a bounce, but it's only a 3-wave move up so far. Even with one more high, it's only 3 waves up. I need basically here one more high, and then a higher low, then a higher high. I can tell you in the white scenario that I just show here in white how a 5-wave move up would look like. And I can tell you that we should, well, this has a long way to go. So ideally, the third wave should get to at least the 1.38 extension at around 81K. Now, I'm not going to be that strict here because it's weekend. This is a very strong wick. And we might not need to really fulfill all the guidelines perfectly, but I'm not convinced yet that we completed the third wave. So if we go higher once more, then form a nice higher low and a higher high, we might have a 5-wave move. But this is what we would need to see, right? For an early indication, we have a low and a break above 80,046. For now, we have just a bit of a bounce. We've just hit the 38.2 retracement. This could be a 4th wave bounce with one more low to come next week. But I'm very open to the idea that a low could be forming. As I said, larger time frame wise, the daily RSI is oversold. I'll definitely stay very close to that. Very close to that. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, then check out our membership. Remember that every Sunday at 5 p.m. UTC we run our member live stream. As a member, you can join obviously Discord if you're a gold member, yeah. But as a supporter member, also here on YouTube, you can join our live stream. It's going to be today at 5 p.m. UTC. And you can also access some additional member posts. Plus, again, as a gold member, you can even join Discord, where you find everything that I cover with regards to crypto. Wish you a great day. Thanks so much. Have a great Sunday. Bye-bye.